Most people overcomplicate making money online. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you a very simple way to go through and offer real value to small businesses so that you can make your first dollars online. And the best part about this is you don't need any prior marketing experience, you don't need crazy tech skills, and you don't need some large upfront investment to get started with this. And I know this because this is exactly what I have done for my own business, and I'm making a really nice daily income online, working from the comfort of my own home, and I've been able to show this exact blueprint to hundreds of other people who've been able to also work with these small businesses, do this simple setup that I'm about to show you right here in this video, and be able to get paid on a monthly ongoing basis. Although everyone's results are going to vary, which I think everyone already knows that. Now, just to be clear, I'm not making this video just to sell you some course or some high-ticket coaching program like every other online YouTube guru. Okay, in fact, I'm going to just hook you up with all my courses, templates, scripts, everything 100% for free. All I ask in return is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, consider sharing this video with a friend, and I'll hook you up with a private link to unlock all of my courses, templates, scripts, everything that I've personally used to get over 15,000 paying clients online that you can just have and use for yourself to be able to help you start making your first dollars online. So with that said, now that you've smashed the like button, dropped a comment down below to unlock all these freebies and bonuses, let me jump onto my computer so I can show you this exact business model, exactly what we're doing for these small businesses, how to get small businesses saying yes, and so that you can start making a consistent monthly income online. So what we're doing is we are working with small local business owners. And no, this is not the traditional SMMA where we're charging $1,500 or $2,000 per month per client, because honestly, these small business owners just can't afford that high price point. And then what we're going to do for these small businesses is set them up with one simple service that I have not seen anyone else talk about right here on YouTube. It takes about 5 minutes to set up and brings massive value to the business owner right out of the gate. And then we can charge that client $300 to $500 per month per client. So as we go through and get more clients, we're able to increase the amount of monthly recurring revenue that we are generating for our business. Now, to kind of break down the exact service and what we're doing for these clients, I need to break down something that is called the 5-minute rule. Now, this 5-minute rule was from a study done by MIT and Harvard. So really smart people about small business owners and how they handle their leads or people that were interested in doing business with them. So the 5-minute rule right here, you can see it says the odds of connecting with a lead in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes drops by 100 times. So you can see this graph over here, and if I move my head, you can see in the first 5 minutes, the bar is almost at the top. To be able to actually contact that lead, and then not only the contact, but also the quality of the lead. And then even 10 minutes later, it drops by about 75%. And then you can see every 5 minutes, it just continues to drop and drop and drop. And so what we're going to do is we're going to leverage AI automation software to help fix this problem for these small business owners. Because if you think about a chiropractor, a dentist, an orthodontist, they don't have time to respond to every single lead or every single request from their website within the first 5 minutes. And so the way we can do that, and the way we could do that every single time, is leveraging AI automation software. And then over here on bullet point number 2, it says the odds of qualifying a lead in 5 minutes versus 30 minutes drops by 21 times. So the speed to lead is everything, but clients can't be relied on. If you're generating leads for these businesses, or if they're just getting leads from their website because they have enough traffic because they're an established business owner, they're not going to be reliable to actually go through and follow up with those leads. I know I've worked with over 15,000 real estate agents. We've generated hundreds of thousands of leads, and that was just something they never were that good at. But that's okay, because that was not their expertise. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you really quick how we leverage AI automation software to solve this 5-minute rule problem. So inside this software, which inside my free course, I have an extended 30-day free trial to the software. Normally it's a 14-day trial, but I hook you up with an extra couple weeks, go through and set this up, and it is going to allow you to run all of your clients' businesses as well as your business. And it's the only software that I use to run my business, and I have thousands and thousands of clients. So if it's good enough for me, I guarantee you it's going to be good enough for you. So what we're going to do is going to come over here to this software. And the cool thing about this software is you can actually white label it and make it your own, which means you can go through and instead of having their logo, their domain, you put your own logo, your domain and connect your own payment processor. So now you're not having to just get like a commission for every time you make a sale. But if you sell a service for $300 or $500 per month, you get $300 or $500 every single month deposited directly into your bank account. That's pretty cool, right? So all we have to do to set this up is we're going to come over here to automations. And we're able to set up this simple AI automation workflow. And the nice thing for you is you don't have to be some genius and have any marketing experience or tech skills to go through and get this started, because it's already built out for you. So what we're going to do is just click on Create Workflow and select a recipe. A recipe is kind of like a template that are already pre-built for you. And so then we are just going to scroll down and we see the Fast 5 Lite, or this one right here is Fast 5. So we just click on that, and then it pops it in and auto creates this entire automation workflow, leveraging AI to follow up with every single new lead that comes in. So when a new lead comes in, it's going to create what is called an opportunity. So then the business owner is able to see like, okay, a new lead came in. But then there's multiple ways that we want to go through and contact and connect with this new lead. We can email them, we can text them, we can call them on the phone. And if they don't pick up the phone, we can drop a voicemail. And there's these multiple channels that we want to be able to connect with them. And we want to do all these things in the first 5 minutes. But honestly, it is physically impossible to manually do that for every single new lead that comes into every business. And so what we can do is just set up this automation where the new opportunity is created, we send out an instant email, and this email template is already written out for you. And then in addition to this email that's sent out, we have a text message that's sent out to start a conversation to push this person along the sales cycle. And then this is really cool right here. What we have is we wait and see if this person has responded to this initial text. And this is all going out immediately right when they're on the website. And so they don't like lose track and they are off in their car or running an errand or something like that. This is all immediately right when they go through and put their contact information in to receive some type of bonus or download or whatever it is from their website. And so now if they don't respond, we're going to wait for a reply for 2 minutes. And then we have the sequence right here. And like I said, this is already all pre-built, so you don't have to have any tech skills or marketing experience. It's already done for you. And then if they did not reply, what we can do is having a call automatically go out to this lead and see if they're available to pick up the phone so we can get them on a call to talk with them. And if they don't answer the phone call, then we just have a voicemail drop. So what we can do here is we can pre-record a voicemail and just make it generic, like, hey, I just saw you're on my website. You're interested in the free teeth whitening. Wanted to connect with you. If you could give me a call back, here's my phone number. And so now we've hit them on email, on text, on a phone call, on a voicemail drop. And so if you're going to connect with this person, this is the way to do it, all right? And then if they have responded, it says, was the reply positive? Yes or no, okay? And so now we have different responses based on if it was a positive response or not. And if it was, we say, hey, you want to go through and book an appointment on our calendar, and this is all automatically done. So now the business owner doesn't have to stop what they're doing and jump on to converse back and forth with the lead. And then if it's not a positive reply, then it sends an internal notification to the team, and whether it is the main business owner or a sales rep or somebody else on the team, depending on how big the team is, they're able to go through and see what the inquiry was, and so they know how to go through and respond. And so this is the basic automation sequence leveraging AI that is all in the first 5 minutes. And if we wanted to go through and wait one day and follow up again, and we could say, hey, now we want to send another email or send out another text message, we can easily go through and do that to get in contact with more of these leads that are already coming into our business. Now, one of my favorite things to do when working with these small businesses is find something that works, that's backed by data, and is unique to them, something that they have probably never seen before. They've probably seen Facebook ads, they've probably seen SEO or build a website or anything like that, but I guarantee you 99.9% of business owners have never even heard of the 5-minute rule, let alone having someone offer it to them to go through and set it up for their business. And like I showed you, this is a pre-built automation that you can go through and set up one time for this business. And then every time a new lead comes in, whether it's now or 6 months from now, the new lead will go through that same exact automation sequence that you set up once, but you get to get paid every single month because the software is bringing massive value to these small business owners. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful as far as going through and seeing a new side hustle that you could start contacting small business owners, which, by the way, I show you several free ways to go through and get in front of these small business owners, be able to present different solutions just like this inside my free course. So once again, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. I'll send you the private link to get all of my bonuses for free, plus an extended 30-day free trial to that software. And I have a professionally designed website that you can get set up in about 5 to 10 minutes with your own logo, your own domain, everything step by step. And as a special bonus, something that we're doing right now, and I don't know how long we're going to be doing this, but this Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time, we're actually holding a free live boot camp that we're going to be having a 45-minute Zoom call helping you set this entire business up from scratch, A to Z. So you're ready to go. You're ready to start finding businesses. You look like professional, legit business. You know exactly what services to offer, exactly what price points. And then on top of that, you're going to be able to jump on a one-on-one kickoff call with a member of our team to help you make sure that you've got everything set up the right way. But like I said, I don't know how long this is going to last. So make sure you jump in, get that free course, take advantage of the templates, the scripts, the live boot camp, as well as the one-on-one kickoff call, and I'll see you in there. Hey, real quick, if you want my 100% free course on how to go through and start your own digital marketing agency, how to get clients, how to fulfill for clients, all of my website templates, my proven sales funnel templates, all my scripts, then there is a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment. It's going to allow you to get an extended 30-day free trial to the HighLevel software, plus unlock all of my courses and bonuses, everything for free, plus weekly live coaching with myself. You can jump on Zoom, ask me any question that you want. All right, so just click down on the link in the description in the top comment or go to launchmysoftware.com. It's going to take you into the same place. Now, with that said, back to the video.